Hey everyone. Well, if you follow me, you know I've done bunny butts before, and I've done them in quite a few different ways. But I never saw one done like I did from Mama Ames. I'll put her channel in my description box below, but she did this big bunny butt, and it was adorable. So I'm gonna do one because I thought it was just so cute. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I made a pattern for the feet, just freehanded it. But since my decor has a lot for Easter with the Mackenzie child, I want to put some Mackenzie child paper. I'm not going to paint this. I was going to, but I'm not. So I made a pattern out of a piece of white paper, and I'm just going to take my Courtly check from Hobby Lobby and cut it to fit, and I'm not going all the way around, as you can see. I'm just going to do the front of one side, and I don't know that I'm necessarily even going to make it permanent there. I may just put just a little bit of I think I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of hot glue. Okay, so there's that. Like I said, I'm not going all the way around. I just want it for the very front of this. And on the other side is still just flowers. Still look nice either way. A needle and thread. And something to where I can cut. And I've used this for Christmas stuff. You can see where it's been cut. And this is from Dollar Tree as well. And it is chamois, or not a chamois. Well, it's in the car department. I don't know exactly what it is, to be honest. I'm going to cut out the feet out of this felt. Okay, go down here. Okay, I'm going to pin these and I'll be back. Okay, so I have my felt, I got my pins, and I'm going to use this because this is going to be another DIY, but I'm going to use this for my pattern to draw a circle onto this. Okay, so let's get this pinned. And I'll go ahead and put you to music. I'm going to cut these out and then trace on for the butt itself, and I'll be back at the end. So I baste it all the way around with some heavy thread. And you have to make sure. So I'm basting this around this circle. And I have long doll needles, but I tried to find them and I can't find them, so I'm just using this little needle. The little needle, it just takes longer. And you're just doing a running stitch all the way around. Make sure you have heavy thread. If you don't, when you go to pull this together and gather it, it most assuredly will break, and that is so maddening when you're just done and there it goes, because I've done it many times. And baste right up to your beginning stitch. Okay. Here's my beginning stitch, okay? And leave a long tail. I don't know what kind of thread this is. It's nylon of some sort, but it's heavy. I got it on clearance. Okay. And as big as that was, it doesn't make that big of a butt because you're going to be gathering it. You know what I mean? So I think I'm going to leave it about this and then I'll stuff it. Let's see how the feet look with it. See if they're too big. Because this is supposed to be the butt, and then we'll do a pom-pom. This is supposed to be the body, and then we'll do a pom-pom here. Yeah, that'll be right. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get some stuffing, and I'll be back. Guys, I need a pom-pom for this butt, because this is supposed to be the body. The feet are going on that, but the body still, the butt, right, still needs a tail. And I can't find another pom-pom, because that's for something else, so I'm going to have to make one. So I'm going to have to cut another circle out of this material from the Dollar Tree to make my tail, because I'm not going to go out and buy any more pom-poms. Okay, using the same kind of thread. Just going to keep basting all the way around, and when I get done I'll be back. We'll stuff the little tail a little bit just like we're going to the butt, and after this is done it's a very fast DIY to put together. Okay, so I have my carrots. I'm going to put a couple of these cute little bunny heads from Hobby Lobby. These are also from Hobby Lobby. But let's stuff the body and then the tail, and we'll be almost done, guys. Like I said, once you have this basted, it's very fast. Make sure to keep your threads long enough, and especially knotted on this one side. Then it's your preference how much you want it to be. And then I'm going to go back with my feet. You might want it a little bit bigger. I'll tie this off and then I'm going to stuff the tail and I'll be back. Okay, so now we got the little tail stuffed. So I'm going to tie that off. Knot it. Okay, position where you want it. See if the feet, I trim down the feet just a little. Okay, I'm just going to take a glue stick. So I think I'm going to take these two little guys and I'm going to put them in here as well, like they're in the carrot patch with their mom. I'm going to have him peeking in between the carrots. Then I got to go get their other brother. Okay, we're almost done, guys. I just had to go get one of these little ones. I told you I've made these before, but I never did them on such a grand scale. I think that's so cute. Anyway, we're going to put a little one right there, right by the mummy. And there you go. That is my take on what I saw Mama Ames do. Okay guys, like I said, please go over, if you haven't gone over to Mama Ames, please go to her channel. This is adorable. I just love it. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.